Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have so many bags from Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and jump right into it and see everything we got. I'm just gonna take random things out. So first thing is this lunch storage tower, and look at that. So it's got two little canisters. I only saw one, it was the only one I saw. So I grabbed it. But how fun would this be? You could put your craft supplies in here. You could put your foods in here. You could put all kinds of stuff. So I just thought that was totally cool. And another thing I found were these little cups. And these are like silicone on the outside and plastic on the inside. And it comes with a lid that you can pull back and forth, and a straw could fit in there. And so I got one in blue, I got one in red, and the reason I got them is for my grandsons. And I love that the labels come off so easily now. Good job, Dollar Tree. So I got those. What else did I pick up? Oh, I picked up some, you don't want to see me removing all the labels. Now that they're so easy, I'm like, oh, we could just take the labels right off. But that one didn't come out easy. Okay, I'm done. Let's go ahead and look at this little mason jar. I make little hot chocolate bombs, so these would be perfect for that. They're actually not the bombs like you typically think. These are more snowman hot chocolate bombs, so I'll have to show you those soon. What else? Oh, we have this lipstick, and it is called Sociable. Look at how pretty that color is. Isn't that pretty? Grab that. I picked up a few of these. Everybody, I always see them using these like telephone cord, right, for their hair. And so when I saw these, I said, okay, I'll give it a try. So I will give that a try. Let me know what kind you use. I just use the regular, like little rubber bands, but we're gonna give that a try. Now I bought this entire thing just for this little guy. Just, that's all I wanted. But I bought the whole thing because that's how it came. And it is just a keychain holder. So there is that. What else? So much fun stuff. I got the glitter vase filler in these colors here and these colors here. They also had like a red color, but I did not grab those. I went for fall for right now. I'll probably kick myself for not getting the Christmas stuff. This one says Grateful Hearts Gather Here. I just think that is so cute. And we have a porch rocking chair, and I think this would just be so cute hanging on the porch rocking chair. I found some signs. They're the little metal signs. This one is 3 pieces. It says peace, joy, and believe, and I love the size of them. I also saw, I didn't get, there is one that's just a single and it's wide and it says thankful, but I did not grab that. I did, however, pick up some leaves, always grabbing the fall leaves. What else? Oh, I finally found this guy here. It is the craft scraper, and a lot of people use them for their vinyl to put them on, but I want to use mine to cut my washi tape. So when I do my planner, it's nice and easy and I don't have to use a credit card. I also grabbed one of these little wood palettes. Some Harvest DIY words. This one here says Hello Autumn. This is the back of, oh, you could see it, Farm Fresh. And then these are some Chalkboard Tag clothespins. I'm going to be doing some DIYs with these guys. Most of this stuff that I got had DIY in mind. Oh goodness. So I found this cotton candy, cinnamon churro cotton candy. If you guys don't know, I have a little business with my sister-in-law. We do cotton candy, gender reveals, and drink bombs. So I saw the cinnamon churro cotton candy, and I'm like, I've got to check that out. I also saw these little guys. How cute are they? Two little gnomies there. I have a drawing pad. It's just clear drawing pad paper. I will be using it for notes, not necessarily drawing, but I like that it is blank, so I can draw if I want to. All right, what else do we have in here? Got tons of stuff. So, okay. This is the only one of these I found. If you find these big, huge snow globes, these are big. Like, look at it compared to my head or my hand. They're not the little ones. They're big. But they use the same bottom as the little ones. So this big one was sitting there, but it didn't have this plastic piece or this piece. And so I took one off the small one and I kind of Frankensteined my own. But I mean, that's how it's supposed to come. So it's okay. I don't feel like I was wrong in doing so. I found these guys. They are nice big bins for organizing, and they are so nice. I got 3 of them. I don't know where they're going to go, if they're going to go in a cabinet or if they're going to go in a refrigerator, but I like to use my plastics for that. I also found this cute one. This is so cute. It already has some candy in it, but it's this little guy. It says trick or treat. I just think that is adorable. A little bucket there. The other side you can do with what you want. And then of course I found some candies. Now I got the Pop Rocks. Those are for more of my cotton candy and drink glitters. So I grabbed those. If you guys want to know more about that, I do have, I'll put a link down below. There's a full Etsy shop. It's called Tinker Toasts, and I will show you more about that soon. They also had some Godiva. Again, these are only $1, and the expiration date was still, these are still good. I don't have glasses on, but this one's good till January 2022. So, I mean, that might make a nice little stocking stuffer. And if you know Dollar Tree, you have to get them when you get them. These little guys are good until December of 2021, so I would not do these as Christmas because I don't know exactly the date. These are just suggested sell-bys, right? Let me know your thoughts about that. So I got one of those. And then these, my grandsons are going to love these. And I think these are good. Yeah, these are good until June. And they're candy corn, but they're nerds. So I think these will be gone like before Halloween, probably. What else? I still have a couple more things here. We've got these baskets. They're round baskets. They're not, they've got some flimsy to them, but they're still really nice. They're a good size, and they come in fun colors, but this would make a cute little toy bucket or even a little trash can if you are only putting like paper in your trash bin, right? And what else did I get? Oh my goodness. I got this organizer case. I know these have been around forever, and I just happened to buy one for the first time because I know when I need to show you guys what I do with these. So I wanted to get a nice, good, clean one to show that to you. That'll be a future video. I also picked up a ton of these little guys. I don't even know how many I got, but look, they're cute. They're little gingerbread men. And I'll be showing you what I make with these as well. These will be a Christmas gift idea, an inexpensive Christmas gift idea. So I did grab a good amount of those. I think maybe I grabbed 5 or 7 of them. And then finally, I picked up 3 of these clear. And these will definitely be for my refrigerator. And if I don't need them for my refrigerator, they'll go into one of my many drawers and get organized there. So, did you see my face? That's funny. So, these are great little organizers. They're not acrylic per se, but I mean, if you try and get this at like the not Crate and Barrel, what's the Container Store, you're not gonna get them for $1. I can guarantee that. So, alrighty, that is everything I have. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite item is. I'd have to say that I think for my grandsons, these are gonna be great for them, because you know when they come over to Nana's house, you just never know. But now they have their own cup. So, all right, beauties, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. If you have stuck around this long, you are a rock star. And please make sure you subscribed if you're not already, because we are going to be having fun with with all the DIYs. All right, take care. Bye.